Debated Debate, and I am host. So our topic is that from whom students learn more. So first of all, Mr. Mujib is saying that students learn more from their own self. Mr. Rohit is saying that students learn more from teachers, and Mr. Musab says that teachers learn more from their parents. So first of all, we are going to start with Mr. Mujib.
So my topic is how students can educate from themselves. So it's a possible to learn yourself if you go it correctly. You can teach yourself anything in just a few months if you can go about it correctly. Self education is good for just about any branch or knowledge or skills you want to acquire. We depend upon our senses and to process the information, and around us most people tend to use one their senses for more than others.
I think so that parents should give you support, so that's why you can learn by yourself. First of all, you know how to learn ABC, then you can learn.
So my topic is how to learn education to our teachers. So a teacher knows his student more than a parent, because a teacher certified to teach and a parent have not as a degree, and many time parent are uneducated. Parent also provide money, but he was not give quality time to his children. But children need collective time for education.
I agree with your point. So now, Mr. Musab.
So Mr. Musab, so my topic is students learn from their parents. So my first point is that you left any one teacher, but you do not left your parents. Means that you left any one teacher come our school, but he'll go another school. So we sir was leaving our school. So means and our parents do not go another city without us.
Now, Mr. Musab.
So nowadays teachers are in their boxes. They cannot ready to go out from their boxes. So they killed our nowadays teacher like as a businessman. They kill their humanity. The role of teacher is a facilitator. They only provide things. He can manage things. He is not playing good role for their teaching. I don't know why students are made for teachers.
Okay. Now, Mr. Rohit.
I disagree with you. My objection is that if you are saying that you learn things from your themselves, learning themselves, so why you are going to coming into school or OSEPs?
So because we want to learn, so that's why we come to school or to colleges to learn. So here's your answer. Now, Mr. Rohit or Musab.
Okay. My second point is a teacher only remains his box, the box of his period. Means that only in his periods teach us, not at our homes. Teachers teach us, but our parents teach at school, at home, because in school our teacher teach us, and in home and in other countries our parents teach us. Thank you.
Okay, I agree with your point. Now, Mr. Musab or Mujib.
If you see many teachers, they behave different at their coaching center and different at the school. So how can we trust them? That's why students depend upon themselves. They cannot. They don't depend upon the teachers.
Okay.
Teacher is a great reformer by bringing changes in child life. He correct him if child goes wrong. He can punish him.
Okay.
And my third point is that my father is professor and my mother teacher. Always say me to study. When I do not study, my mother and father also hit me. That said, please study. It is said when mother was educated, so that means the whole family was educated. Means that Also, my mother was educated. My mother was educated, and so my mother said me study, please study, and he was saying also study, also said also hit me. Thank you.
So my opinion is that if your mother is educated, then she will beat if you don't learn. So accept your points. So now on the teacher, that teacher also are in their boxes. I accept. So they also teach us. So now, Mr. Musab.
Nowadays, parents cannot teach better, and cannot help better. So that's why students educate from themselves. For example, self-education and experience based on learning may take the place of formal education. This helps students learn in the best way of understand.
I agree with your points.
If we go to foreign country, if we will not take our parents, they have teachers, not they have teachers, not parents. So that's why a teacher are responsible.
So I want to say that on the topic, so we can also learn by ourselves and by our teachers and parents. So in my opinion, we can learn by more from teachers, so because they know better than us. So we can get education by them greater amount.
And my fourth point is it is very necessary to educated parents so that teach her child and his child. So I have example that my parents are educated. So he say to me study. I am also studying at home. I am using phones. So my mother and father also said, please study. It is your time to study. And my father is on in him. In my father teach me, so also hit me. And then a child spend more time with his parents, not with sons. Sons only come for 5 or 6 hours. Our parents was for our whole life.
Okay, now Mr. Musab.
So students always learn by themselves by using study groups and internet and also from their seniors and also friends.
Okay.
So, for example, some Mamtas are give point for us. Not a parent give points. You accept.
Yes, I accept that.
So my last point is that I have objection